are you ready to dive into the world of crypto and create your own Ethereum wallet? You're in luck, because I'm going to walk you all through the step-by-step process of getting into the world of Ethereum and cryptocurrency. So what's a Metamask wallet and how do we set it up? Metamask is a user-friendly wallet that makes it easy to manage your cryptocurrencies built on the Ethereum blockchain. Plus, it's simple to set up and use Metamask, even for absolute beginners. So the first step in creating a Metamask wallet is to download the extension for Chrome browsers from the Metamask website. And once you have the extension installed, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. And this is where the seed phrase comes in. What's more, a seed phrase is a set of 12 to 24 random English words that are used to generate randomized private and public keys for your wallet. All in all, these keys are what give you access to your wallet and its assets. And it's very important to keep the seed phrase safe and not share it with anyone. After you've created your wallet, you'll be asked to choose a strong password to keep it locked. And one thing to not forget here is that Chrome can't autofill this password, so you have to make sure you choose something you'll remember. And again, it goes without saying, if anyone ever asks you for your seed phrase, they're probably a scammer and of course should be ignored. But there are more technicalities to using Metamask than just that. So, now that you have your Metamask wallet set up, you can start using it to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. In fact, you can use a single Metamask wallet address and seed phrase across all the other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Phantom, and Polygon. Metamask really is a versatile option for your crypto needs. But what's important to note here is that Metamask can't connect to blockchains that don't use EVM like Solana and Cardano. What's more, the main interface page lets you send tokens, and the extension has an address book where you can even save and name addresses. Plus, you'll also find token swapping on the front page, which uses decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap and SushiSwap to trade tokens on the same blockchain, including stablecoins. But another thing to remember here is that just making an online wallet isn't sufficient. Users should prioritize protecting their high-value assets from computer viruses that steal private keys. In fact, users of Web3 should always think about buying and using a hardware crypto wallet. Once a hardware wallet has been set up on its own, Metamask can connect to it by clicking the colorful circle in the top right corner and then clicking the Connect Hardware Wallet button. It's crucial to keep in mind that hardware wallets can only be used with Metamask if they're physically connected to a computer or phone, but they're definitely the safest way to store blockchain assets. So while Metamask isn't hard to figure out, it may not be easy and safe for people who aren't familiar with crypto to use it at first. What's more, the hardest part of making a new wallet is writing down and keeping track of the seed phrase. In fact, the seed phrase itself should never be kept in a digital file, where a determined hacker or computer virus could get to it. And even though it can be stopped by malicious links and phishing attacks, Metamask users always have the chance to confirm every transaction and double-check the details before signing. Luckily, Metamask makes it just as easy to make more wallets as it was to make the first one, so these wallets can be used to interact with smart contracts that could be harmful, but those are just the technicalities of the crypto world. So, why is Metamask in particular the option most people go for? Clearly, there's a reason why Metamask is the most popular browser-based cryptocurrency wallet for Ethereum. For starters, it has built-in features that make it easy to add and swap tokens. In fact, Web2 users may find it hard to learn how to use Ethereum applications, let alone understand how on-chain trading works, so Metamask makes everything easier and takes care of all the hard work behind the scenes. But you should keep in mind that even though it's not hard to figure out how to use a crypto wallet, there is a learning curve. And if you send assets to the wrong address, you could lose them forever. All in all, blockchain and Web3 are still new technologies, and like all new technologies, they are not as easy to use. In fact, before Uniswap, the first popular decentralized exchange, it was actually really hard and expensive to swap cryptocurrencies on Ethereum. But now, Metamask's main interface has a function called Swap that lets you do this in a rather much easier way, and its website has helpful instructions on how to use it. It does, however, charge a convenience fee of 0.743%. Metamask compares the prices of all DEXs on the same blockchain to find the best deal for the user while keeping the interface simple. What's more, adding a new token to the interface doesn't cost anything, but on the other hand, swapping tokens does, and users need to keep enough Ethereum for the blockchain's gas fee, if of course they're using Ethereum to pay. And that brings us to how we swap and trade tokens from Metamask. Well, swapping tokens is in fact very simple. So the main page of Metamask is on the left, the interface for trading tokens is in the middle, and the confirmation of a trade is on the right. And all blockchains that work with Ethereum, like Polygon, have the same process for swapping tokens. And the only difference is the cryptocurrency that is used to pay the gas fee. So under the Swap tab, choose the two tokens you want to swap. The token going out should be in the top bar, and the token coming in should be in the bottom bar. And if the token doesn't show up when you type in its ticker symbol, you'll have to copy and paste its address instead. Next, type in the amount you want to swap out or the amount you want to swap in, and then click Swap. Then, on the confirmation page, you'd see which tokens are being swapped, how much you'll get in return, and how much gas the swap will cost. And if everything looks right, click the Swap button. After a few seconds, Metamask will show a message that says transaction success, and the swap is done. So all in all, you can swap tokens in a jiffy with a Metamask wallet. What's more, adding a token is even simpler. To add a token, users only need to go to a cryptocurrency listing site like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and search for the token's ticker symbol in the search bar. And if a token isn't listed on either site, it may be a scam and should be avoided. So when you find it, look for a OX followed by a string of numbers and letters to find the token's address, then click the Metamask logo. Then, Metamask will ask you to confirm that you want to add the token. If you say yes, the token will show up in the list of assets. All in all, it's not really that hard to add and swap tokens, but it's of course different from buying and selling on Coinbase. That's all about Metamask for today. See you in the next video.